now you have covered the area and perimeter of squares, rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, trapeziums and simple compound shapes, it is time to see what skills you can pull together. As is the way in maths, you aren't always going to be told what you need to do. You have to prove your big brain by pulling together all the skills you have in your arsenal and applying them to a question. All I will say is, if you have been through all the videos and worksheets from M101 all the way through to M106, you will have gone over every skill you need in order to answer this question. Take your time and see if you can answer it completely and fully. Good luck. What is the area and perimeter of this shape? Pause the video, use the worksheet to make notes if you can, and have a good go. We'll look at the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start with the perimeter, as that principle is the easiest. We just add up the outside edges and get 46 centimetres. These numbers here aren't needed, they're references, they're not the lengths of any actual edges. Now, the area. There are a bunch of different ways we could do this, but whichever way you look at it, the best thing we can do first is to fill in any extra pieces of information we might need. To me, the most obvious way to break this shape down is into a parallelogram, 2 rectangles, and a triangle. So these are the shapes I'm going to look to explore. Let's look at the parallelogram first. I have the base length 9 centimetres, so I just need the height to find its area. The height of the entire shape is 8 centimetres, but I know we have 1 centimetre and 4 centimetres accounted for, leaving 3 centimetres for the remaining height. The area of the parallelogram then is 3 times 9 centimetres, which is 27 centimetres squared. This large rectangle takes up the rest of the height, so that's 5 centimetres left, and it's also 9 centimetres long. So its area must be 9 times 5, which equals 45 centimetres squared. The little rectangle is easy, 2 by 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres squared. This just leaves us with the triangle. At the moment, we have neither the height nor the width. However, we know the entire base width is 14 centimetres. The little rectangle takes up 2 of these, and the larger takes up 9. Therefore, the triangle must be 3 centimetres wide. As for the height, we already know the large rectangle is 5 centimetres tall. Subtracting the 1 centimetre line here leaves a height of 4 centimetres. 4 by 3 is 12, but we halve it because it's a triangle, so 6 centimetres squared. 27 add 45, add 2, add 6 equals 80 centimetres squared. Like I say, there are other shapes you could have broken it down into, but whatever the method, if you did it correctly and pulled your area knowledge accurately, you will have come up with the same answer at the end. And if you didn't, bug a teacher and ask them where you went wrong.